Hey campers, welcome back to another craft tutorial. My name is Dana and I am so excited to walk you through this tutorial. Today, we're making popsicle stick airplanes. Here are the materials that you will need for this craft today. You will need scissors, crayons, markers, 3 popsicle sticks, 1 clothespin, some glue, and some tape. Step number 1 is to color your clothespin completely. Now, since we're in the Olympics, I think I'm going to color mine red and blue. Now that we have our clothespin all colored, it's time to color our 3 popsicle sticks. The next step is to glue 1 popsicle stick to each side of the clothespin. These will be the wings of the plane. The popsicle stick should be closer to the end that pinches. If you find that your popsicle sticks aren't sticking very well to the clothespin, you can always take a little bit of tape and just stick it on. The next step is to cut 1 popsicle stick in half. This will be the back wing and the propeller. Make sure to have an adult there to help you with this step. Once you have it cut in 2, take 1/2 of the popsicle stick and glue or tape it to the front end of the clothespin. This is the propeller. And this is what it should look like. The next step and final step is to take the other half of the popsicle stick and glue it or tape it to the back of the clothespin. This is the back wing. And now we're done. This is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this craft tutorial and we will see you next time.